In the heart of the city where the streets glow bright, she walks with purpose under neon lights. Her clothes are simple but her spirit's rich. With every step she takes, she finds her niche. She's an urban girl with a modest style. In her world, love outweighs the miles. No diamonds or pearls, just a heart that's true. In the midst of it all, she finds her view. She's an urban girl with a modest style. In her world, love outweighs the miles. No diamonds or pearls, just a heart that's true. In the midst of it all, she finds her view.
Hello, welcome to AI Factory. I hope you enjoyed the beginning. Thinking about making your own music videos or starting a music channel? With AI, you don't need to be an expert in singing, playing instruments, or knowing all about music styles. Anyone can create awesome music videos now, not just the pros. You can quickly make lots of videos to share online and maybe even get popular. In my tutorials, lo-fi music channel success, and creating rap videos for social media with free AI tools, I introduced various tools for creating music videos and channels. Today, I'll show you a new tool that lets you make music in just 10 minutes. You could start your music channel and maybe even earn money from it. Let's turn your music love into something fun and rewarding. Today, let's explore Sunno.AI, an AI-powered tool for creating music. Begin by visiting the Suno homepage. Here's how to get started. Navigate to the upper right corner and click on Make a Song. Move to the left side and click Create. Sign up for a free account using your Google or Microsoft email. As a free user, you'll receive 50 points daily. Composing a song costs 5 points, allowing you to create up to 10 songs per day. Creating music with Suno is straightforward. Simply input the theme and genre of your desired music in the upper left corner. For instance, you might want a pop ballad reflecting on seeing an ex's new relationship on Instagram, filled with a rush of memories and emotions. After setting your prompt, look for the instrumental option below. Activating this feature will produce a song without vocals, focusing solely on the music. To finish, press the Create button, and the AI will begin crafting your music. Suno generates 2 songs simultaneously, with each song lasting 2 minutes. Once the music is created, you have the option to play and listen to the song. Let's take a moment to listen to a snippet now.
Scrolling down my feed, I saw your face in a photo with someone new in their embrace. All those memories flooding back in my mind.
Now let's hear another one.
Scrolling down my feed, I saw your face in a photo with someone new in their embrace.
Suno uses the prompts we input to automatically determine the song's language. On the right side of the interface, you'll find a remix button. By clicking it, you can alter the original song's musical elements, such as the lyrics and genre. For instance, I've changed the music style to hard rock this time. Let's see how the rock version compares.
Scrolling down my feed, I saw your face in a photo with someone new in their embrace. All those memories flooding back in my.
Rolling down my feet, I saw your face in a photo with someone new in their embrace. All those memories flooding back in.
Additionally, I've created versions in various other genres. Let's listen to them together.
Scrolling down my feed, I saw your face in a photo with someone new in their embrace. All those memories Scrolling down my feed, I saw your face in a photo with someone new. In their embrace, all those memories. Rolling down my feet, I saw your face in a photo with someone new. In their embrace, all those memories flooding back in my mind, like a movie playing, rewinding time.
Fuck it. Yeah. I saw. Scrolling down my feed, I saw your face in a photo with someone new. In their embrace, all those memories flooding back in my mind, like a movie playing, rewinding time.
When remixing music on Suno, it switches to a special screen called Custom Mode. Here, you use something called meta tags to help organize the song's lyrics. These meta tags, shown in square brackets, help describe different parts of the song, like its structure and style. Here's a quick guide to what these parts mean. Verse, the part of the song that tells the story, usually with 4 to 8 lines. Chorus, the catchy part of the song that repeats and sticks in your head. Pre-chorus, a section that leads into the chorus, making the song flow better. Bridge, comes after the chorus and changes things up with new words or tunes, adding more interest to the song. Break, a part without singing, letting instruments like guitars or saxophones shine. Intro and outro, the start and end bits of the song. These tags help shape the song, giving it a clear structure from start to finish. After learning how these tags work, you can start writing lyrics following the structure. You can ask ChatGPT to help you come up with the lyrics. Keep in mind that the first version from ChatGPT might not be exactly what you want. But don't worry, you can use that first draft to have more discussions and make adjustments with ChatGPT. Together, you can create a song that's both creative and true to your original idea. Okay, I'll upload the completed lyrics to a Google Doc for a final review. Here are some key points for the check. Ensure there are no punctuation marks at the end of each lyric line. Insert a blank line between paragraphs to help AI recognize the song structure. You can add other meta tags, such as intro. As someone without musical training, I find what ChatGPT produces quite impressive. Next, return to Suno and switch to Custom Mode. Here you can paste the lyrics you've prepared. There's an option for music style, where you can define the music's type and genre, describe the vocals, instruments, etc. After naming the song, click Create. Suno will then begin creating the 2-minute song. Remember, Suno can only produce 2 minutes of music at once, so if your song is longer, you might need to split it into parts for generation. Right-click the 3 dots to download the music. Let's design the cover for this music video. I returned to ChatGPT to request an image prompt based on the lyrics. It was a bit long, so I asked ChatGPT to shorten it. Then I used that prompt to generate the image. I used Leonardo.AI to generate images, a free AI drawing tool. You can sign in with your Google account or other email address. After signing in, you'll be able to view other users' artwork. I aimed for an anime style for my character, so I clicked on Anime, chose a style I liked, and then selected Generate with this model to proceed to the image generation page. With a free account, you receive 150 tokens daily, and each image generation consumes 4 or 5 tokens, depending on your image. I opted to generate one image in a 16:9 aspect ratio. Next, I pasted the prompt into the text box and clicked Generate. After waiting a few seconds, it produced a lovely image of a girl sitting on a bench. Wanting more options for my cover, I generated a few more images, even altering the prompt to better suit my needs. This image suits my music well, but the character is slightly too centered for my taste. I'd prefer her to be on the left side. In Leonardo, there's a feature to expand the canvas. By selecting Edit on Canvas and then choosing Infinite Mode from the top menu, you're presented with a frame. I adjusted the image to match the frame's height, then shifted the frame rightward to add more space on that side. In the text box, typing window prompts the software to automatically extend the window on the right, offering 4 variations to choose from. Upon selecting one, you can then download your customized image. Okay, I've completed the image generation. The next step involves CapCut, a powerful and free video editing tool available for download or online use. Import the image and the song, then drag them onto the timeline, adjusting the image's duration to match the song's length. CapCut offers a variety of built-in effects. For instance, within the nature category, there's an effect named petals, which you can add over the image layer. Now, the petal layer appears above the image layer, but I aim to position it outside the window. To achieve this, we need an additional image layer to mask the unwanted petals. You can use Photopea, a free online tool with functionalities similar to Photoshop. I opted for Photoshop. Open the image, select the polygonal lasso tool to outline all the glass. Choose Inverse, and then click Mask in the layer panel, effectively removing the glass. Import this edited image into CapCut and place it above the petal layer. This adjustment will make the petals appear as if they are outside the window. Now, I want to add music visual effects, and it's quite easy. Go to tuneform.com and sign up using your email. Once inside, you'll see many demos to explore. There are numerous built-in design templates available. Pick the one that catches your eye and click on Select Visualizer. Upload the song you've created with Suno. After that, choose a color for the music spectrum. We'll remove this part later in CapCut. Name your project and click Render to begin the animation of the music spectrum. When it's ready, go back to the page and download it by clicking the Download button in the upper right corner. In CapCut, import the music spectrum animation and drag it onto the timeline. To remove the green background, go to the right panel, select Remove, and check the chroma key option. Use the eyedropper tool to select the green color. Adjust the intensity and shadow settings for a clean background removal. Then, add a rectangular mask and move it at the bottom. I want to add captions, and the best method is using text-to-speech tools for voice generation. I chose 11 Labs for creating the voice. Sign into 11 Labs with your Google account, paste the lyrics into the text box, select a voice, and click Generate Speech. After downloading it, return to CapCut, import the voice file, go to the top menu and click on Text, then choose Auto Caption with the language set to English and press Generate. The lyrics will appear as captions on the top layer. Now, I just need to fine-tune the caption's duration to match the song. You can also customize the caption by selecting a stylish font and color. Alternatively, go to the animation panel to add animation effects, enhancing the overall interactivity and appeal of the viewing experience. I hope you found today's lesson enjoyable and inspiring for creating your own music channel or videos. If you liked it, please consider subscribing. Thank you for watching.